If you're trying to decide between DreamHost and Squarespace for your website, you're not alone. Both platforms are popular, but they serve different purposes. DreamHost is a web hosting service known for its flexibility, while Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder designed for ease of use. So which one should you go with? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense, covering everything from features and pricing to usability and support. Understanding the basics. Now, before we dive into the details, let's get a high-level look at what these two platforms actually do. So DreamHost is a web hosting provider, meaning that it gives you a place to store your website on the internet. You have full control over how you build your site, whether that's using WordPress, a custom coded website, or a different site builder of your choice. DreamHost is great for people who want complete freedom and control over their site, especially if they're comfortable with web development or if they want to use WordPress. Squarespace, on the other hand, is a website builder that includes hosting. It's designed for users who want to create a beautiful, functional website without having to touch code. With its drag and drop editor, pre-designed templates, and built-in e-commerce tools, Squarespace makes it easy to build a professional-looking site without any technical experience. So right from the start, the biggest difference is this. DreamHost gives you more flexibility but requires more effort, while Squarespace makes things easier, but it's a bit more restrictive. Ease of use. Now, when it comes to ease of use, Squarespace takes the lead here. It's really built for beginners who want a seamless website building experience. You don't have to worry about installing software, managing updates, or dealing with security settings. Everything is taken care of for you. The editor is intuitive, and the templates are very well designed, making it easy to get a website up and running in just a few hours. Now, DreamHost, on the other hand, isn't quite as beginner-friendly. While it does offer a website builder called Remixer, most people use it for WordPress hosting. That means you'll need to install WordPress, choose a theme, and configure your site manually. It's not incredibly difficult, but it does require more steps and a bit more of a learning curve. Now, if you're comfortable with WordPress, then DreamHost gives you way more customization options than Squarespace. But if you just want to click a few buttons and have a website ready to go, Squarespace is the easier choice. Design and customization. Customization is where things get interesting. Squarespace is known for its stunning templates. They're modern, sleek, and mobile responsive right out of the box. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts within the drag and drop editor, but you're still working within the limitations of the platform. If you want more advanced customization, you'll need to inject custom CSS or JavaScript, which can be a bit limiting compared to a fully open platform like WordPress. DreamHost, when paired with WordPress, offers virtually limitless customization. You can install thousands of free and premium themes, modify them to your heart's content, and even hire a developer to create a completely unique site. You're not locked into a specific design structure, which makes it ideal for businesses, bloggers, or creatives who want a custom website that can grow and evolve over time. The trade-off? More customization means more responsibility. You'll have to keep your themes and plugins up to date, manage security settings, and troubleshoot any issues that pop up. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. E-commerce features. If you're planning to sell products online, both platforms offer solutions, but they take different approaches. Squarespace has built-in e-commerce functionality, making it easy to create an online store. You can add products, manage inventory, accept payments, and even handle shipping directly from the Squarespace dashboard. It's a great option for small to medium-sized businesses that want an all-in-one solution. DreamHost doesn't have built-in e-commerce features, but it allows you to install WooCommerce, which is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. WooCommerce gives you complete flexibility in how you build and manage your store. You can choose your own payment processor, customize checkout flows, and even add advanced features like subscriptions and memberships. But keep in mind, setting up WooCommerce requires more effort compared to the out-of-the-box simplicity of Squarespace's e-commerce tools. Performance and reliability. When it comes to performance, DreamHost has a slight edge. Since it's a dedicated hosting provider, it offers SSD storage, automatic backups, and a 100% uptime guarantee. This means your website is likely to run faster and experience fewer outages. Squarespace's performance is generally solid, but since it's an all-in-one platform with shared resources, its speed can fluctuate depending on server loads. If you have a very image-heavy website or you expect high traffic, then you might notice some performance issues. That being said, Squarespace optimizes images and uses a content delivery network known as a CDN to improve speed. So for most users, it's not a huge concern. Customer support. Customer support is another area where Squarespace shines. They offer 24/7 email support and live chat during business hours. The support team is very responsive and knowledgeable. There's also a well-documented help center with guides and tutorials. DreamHost also provides solid support, but it's primarily through live chat and email. Phone support is available, but only as a callback service service, which can be inconvenient if you need immediate help. However, DreamHost has a strong reputation for reliability, so you might not need support as often as you would with some other hosting providers. Pricing breakdown. So pricing is another big factor in choosing a platform, and there's a key difference in how these two services structure their costs. Squarespace offers a simple, all-inclusive pricing model. Pricing starts at $16 per month for a basic website, and they go all the way up to $99 per month for advanced e-commerce features. Each plan includes hosting, templates, customer support, and access to Squarespace's built-in tools. The main advantage is that you know exactly what you're paying for with no hidden costs. Now, if you want to get started with Squarespace, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. You can go ahead and get a free 14-day trial. All you need to do is enter the code. The code is myfirstwebsite. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at their different plans here, like I said, they have their basic plan, which starts at $16 per month when you pay annually. If you decide to pay monthly, that's $25 per month. Now, when you decide to pay annually, you also get a free custom domain for the first year, which is pretty cool. Now, moving up to their next plan, their core plan starts at $23 per month paid annually, or $36 per month if you pay month to month. The Plus plan starts at $39 per month annually, or $56 per month monthly, and the Advanced plan starts at $99 per month, or $139 per month when you pay monthly. DreamHost, on the other hand, operates with a traditional hosting model. So taking a look at DreamHost's different plans, if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, you can get started with DreamHost. And if we take a look at their pricing here, they have 3 different core plans. They have their shared starter plan, they have their DreamPress plan, and their VPS business plan. Now, all these plans sort of have sub plans within it. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few here. So the shared starter plan starts at $295 per month when you pay annually. If you decide to pay monthly, it's $495 per month. Now, these plans also renew at a higher rate after your initial term, which is something to be mindful of. So on the shared starter annual plan, you get one website, a free domain for the first year, unlimited traffic, WordPress installer, free automated WordPress migrations, the AI website builder, business advisor, built-in traffic analytics, fast SSD storage, free SSL certificate, and a 97-day money-back guarantee. Now, if we go ahead and look at their shared unlimited plan, it's pretty much the same exact plan, but you get unlimited websites. Their DreamPress plan, they have several different ones. There's DreamPress Standard, DreamPress Plus, and DreamPress Pro. The DreamPress Standard plan starts at $16.95 per month when you commit to an annual plan, or it starts at $19.95 for their monthly option. You get one WordPress website. You get a free domain included for the first year. It supports about 100,000 monthly visits. You get unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes SSD storage, WordPress installer, SSL certificate pre-installed, 24/7 WordPress support, AI website builder, business advisor, built-in traffic tools, free priority site migration, on-demand backups and one-click restore, 2 weeks of backups, fast Nginx hosting, one-click staging, and essential CDN. There's also the VPS business plan, and there's several other VPS plans like the professional, enterprise, and premier, which we won't go into all of those, but hopefully this gives you a good picture of DreamHost's pricing. So keep in mind that these prices don't include any premium WordPress themes, plugins, or additional security features that you might need. So over time, the total cost could be higher depending on the tools and services that you choose. So if you want a predictable, flat rate, then Squarespace might be the better option. But if you want more control over your costs and you don't mind managing extra expenses, DreamHost can be more cost effective in the long run. Final verdict, which one should you choose? So should you go with DreamHost or Squarespace? Well, the answer depends on your needs. If you want a website that looks great right out of the box, requires minimal effort, and includes everything in one package, Squarespace is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for creatives, small business owners, or anyone who wants a simple, no-fuss solution. But if you need full control over your website, want the ability to scale, or you prefer WordPress as your content management system, DreamHost is the better option. Now, a CMS, or your content management system, is software that allows you to build, edit, and manage a website without needing to code everything from scratch. Instead of manually writing HTML and CSS, a content management system provides a user-friendly interface where you can add pages, upload images, and customize your site's design with just a few clicks. Now, WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, powering over 40% of all websites on the internet. It gives you full control over your site's design, features, and functionality, allowing you to install plugins, change themes, and customize every aspect of your site. So if you want flexibility, better performance, and long-term cost savings, DreamHost is a great choice for those willing to put in the extra work to manage a WordPress site. At the end of the day, it's all about what works best for you. If you need simplicity, then go with Squarespace. But if you want more customization and control, DreamHost is going to be your best best bet. Either way, both of these platforms can help you build a great website. You just have to decide which approach fits your goals. And if you want to get started with Squarespace or DreamHost, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.